welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created this look using NY BAE products which I recently bought. So I'm gonna be sharing what I feel about the products. So if you would want to know how I created this look and also what I feel about the NY BAE products, then please keep on watching this video till the end. And yeah, without any further ado, let me just get started. And before that, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to be using is this NY BAE primer. So it says it blends like a dream, hydrating in nature, lightweight formula, minimizes pores, smoothens skin, perfect base to a flawless look. So we're going to be trying this out. So the second step is obviously foundation. So they don't have a foundation thing, but they have this foundation, concealer, color correct and everything together. So I've got two shades in which Racing Toast in Roosevelt 7 is one shade and Coney Island Caramel 4 is the second shade. So we're going to be checking like which shade matches me well. Okay, this is sort of okay. This is kind of lighter, so I might use this as my concealer. So I'm going to use my fingers only to blend. I'm going to use this shade which is Racing Toast in Roosevelt 7 is the shade that I'm going to be using. This is kind of darker, but then it's okay. I did not see any difference. It has like very sheer coverage, so I'm gonna go one more layer. Okay, I kind of like this coverage because this is a sort of everyday look which looks decent. So because this couldn't be a full coverage thing, but this definitely is a medium, like sheer medium coverage which you can wear it on a daily basis. And the shade I think has matched me perfectly, which is another advantage. So I'm gonna use the next shade just to highlight maybe here. I cannot leave this as such without setting, so I'm gonna set this using a powder, but NY BAE doesn't have a powder, so I'm gonna use the Simply Pretty Avon powder to set my face. So I've done my eyebrows off camera because NY BAE doesn't have an eyebrow product, so I did it with my own. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is to fill in our eyes, and for that I'm going to use the Big Apple of my eye from NY BAE. So I'm going to use this as my kajal today, and also to tightline my eyes. So I've applied that kajal to tightline and also to do my lower lashes, and I kind of like it. And for my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using NY BAE eyeliner in the shade black. I'm just gonna draw a normal wing sort of a thing if I am able to do that. So I'm gonna use this. I wasn't struggling that much for the kajal, but the eyeliner took at least 3 to 4 coats to get this pigmentation, and yeah, this looks better now. And finally we are up to the lips. So I'm gonna be using this lip liner first, which is Village Halloween Parade 8 on my to line my lips. So the lip liner is very sheer, but yeah, we're gonna be applying the liquid lipstick that I got, and this is in the shade Sitcom Special 12, and I'm gonna apply this. So I think I just go finish rest of the things and come back to you. So that's the finished look that I created using NY BAE products. So talking about the products, like as of now, the products that I am feeling good is the primer, because I don't have anything to talk about it now. So the primer as of now worked really well. It was like smooth to apply. So it had a silicone touch to it, which made my pores look much more better. And I like the concealer stick or the foundation stick that we used, but it is looking a little creamy and it's kind of making me look oily. I think this foundation would best suit dry skin people because it's very creamy and it glides on really nicely, and you can use it also to highlight and contour if you are, you know, somewhere between fair and medium tone, so that you get your perfect shade as well. And it did not have any eyebrow product or mascara, so I had to use that for myself. And I think NY BAE should come up with powders, because that's very important when you are applying your makeup and my hair. Yeah. So yeah, that's for that. And for the eyes, I kind of like the kajal better than the eyeliner. I did not like the eyeliner much because the applicator wasn't that sturdy. So I like the kajal better. It is, yeah, it's good. And talking about the lips, I did not like the lip liner because it was very sheer and didn't do anything to the lips, so I did not like the lip liner. And the lipstick, it's a liquid lipstick, so it's a liquid lipstick, and the color payoff is really good. I think the color is the pigmentation or the color payoff is really nice with the liquid lipstick, but it's kind of drying, very drying, like, you know, I feel something heavy on my lips. And this transfers a little bit, like, you know, a very little bit. I think if it's completely dried, and this wouldn't transfer. And also I did not like the applicator with the liquid lipstick because that wasn't that sturdy to apply as well. So those were my opinion on NY BAE products, like, you know, applying it for the first time. Maybe I should leave it for some time and check how these products work after some while. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you would like to stick around, and I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.